Today we are reviewing NuDerma Clinical Skin Therapy Wand, portable high-frequency skin therapy machine with 6 FUSION Neon+Argon wands, anti-aging, blemish and spot control, skin tightening and radiance for wrinkle reducing. This clinical-grade system comes with a more powerful NuDerma wand and the revolutionary FUSION Neon+Argon applicators that feature this technology. A combination of 6 FUSION applicator provides anti-aging benefits for your skin in the form of neon and blemish and inflammatory combating effects of argon in one effective and universal delivery system. Together, they are able to offer the complete spectrum of skin therapies, creating beautiful, radiant skin, as well as reducing the duration of the treatment time. A high-frequency treatment can increase the appearance of your skin instantly by boosting your entire skin profile, no matter what skin type you have, in a safe and completely natural way. The technology also kills any subdermal causes of inflammation, which is a significant factor in controlling blemishes and ensuring a smoother visage 90% faster. The ultimate secret to enhancing the effectiveness of your beauty serums is to ensure that they are better absorbed. The NuDerma system is specifically designed to increase the receptiveness of your skin to absorb the ingredients in order for them to be effective as possible. Specialized glass applicators that are designed to specifically be for this total one body system for Y-shaped, which our wand can be used comfortably on the areas of your arms and neck, or a rod applicator which can be used for the areas such as cheeks and forehead. This was review for NuDerma Clinical High Frequency Wand.